Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Ocho Rios and we're going to give you a tour of the Ocho Rios Country Club. Now this property is located on Milford Ridge. When you're entering Ocho Rios, when you come through Fern Gully, it's on the right hand side as you enter Ocho Rios. Now it's a very nice development. They're actually expanding it. Those white buildings at the back are part of the development and those are under construction. So this development has four kinds of homes, or four different units. You have a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom unit. Then you have a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom unit. It's a flat. It's 1,270 square feet. Then you have a 3-bedroom, 3-bath flat. That one is 1,775 square feet. And then you have a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-floor standalone detached unit. Basically a split level unit. That's 2,068 square feet. And then you have a 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath townhouse, and that is 2,442 square feet. So the Ocho Rios Country Club is a 24-hour secure gated development consisting of single-family units. It is located 5 minutes from the resort town of Ocho Rios, Jamaica. The property nestles beautiful atop Milford Hill, where you can enjoy spectacular views of the city and coastline. The development caters for single-family units with properties having 4 different designs. The houses offer a beautifully designed kitchen which flows into a modern open space design of living spaces. All units are designed with a large enclosed indoor washroom, walk-in closet spaces accompany all the bedrooms. As you can see, a very nice development. Now, this facility has all the modern amenities: a fully equipped gym, a luxurious pool, it has a tennis court, multi-purpose court, and it has a recreational play area for kids. It also has green spaces. Now, to buy one of the 3 bedrooms, you're looking at about 43 million Jamaican or 280,000 US. And that's for the 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom townhouse. And the rent for these units, they start at 1,800 US and go up to 3,000 US per month. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.